Quick tour of the Magimix M190. Water reservoir at the back, quite a decent one. The modern machines tend to have smaller ones to make them look cuter. Just pull it off, refill, slot it in. Some people prefer to fill from the top. Okay, there's a spill tray here, a slot tray there. That needs cleaning and emptying every now and again. More often, you've got to empty the used cartridges. You can fold that up for a bigger or taller mug, or a little cup just slots on there. Cartridges go in there. Let's make a cup of coffee, check there's enough water, plenty. Place a cup on the tray. Eject the old cartridge. Drop the new cartridge in. Capsule. Close it. And then choose a small cup, Espresso, or a long cup. So that's, the machine's cold, so it's got to heat up. So both lights are flashing. It considers I haven't pre-selected, so I'm now going to it's all over. Both lights are on, it's ready to go for a second cup of coffee.